All right, left off at Forest Labs. Now let's move to Starbucks. I have it right now on the 1 year daily. Let's check it out on the 2 year weekly. This is my favorite weekly chart, I think. Heck of a breakout. Now, don't mind the triangle at the top. I'll show you that on the 1 year daily. But heck of a breakout on the weekly. Starbucks made such a big advancement this week with earnings. And if I were home on Tuesday, I might have picked it up. That was one that I did tweet in the morning, and I probably would have watched it. But Tuesday was my day off. Perfect day to take a day off, right? Flirting with resistance, 17, 18, 17, 20. Above that's going to be 18, 20, 18 bucks. Something to look for in this stock and something to watch technically on this 1 year daily is the symmetrical triangle that we're experiencing on the 1 year daily. This is something that indicates a breakout that will come. One more dollar, I think we have for Starbucks, and then I think it's going to run out of steam. I would like to see some more light volume pullback. I wouldn't mind seeing it around 17 by Tuesday. If we get around 17 by Tuesday, I'm a buyer. If and only if the market is still running higher. I am a buyer of Starbucks if it gets to 17 on light volume and if the market still has momentum. That's when I'm a buyer for this. All right, let's look at another favorite, Cat Q. That's a good ticker, right? Cat, Caterpillar, big earnings this week. Heck of a breakout. My brother was happy when I told him about this. I picked it up around 30.85 for him, and the rest is history. Very happy with this trade. We're gonna see 45 print, and wow, heck of a breakout on earnings. A ton of volume on Monday. Ton of volume on Monday, I believe that is. And it's impressive. It's impressive what a lot of single companies are putting together. And even with the crappy reports and estimates by analysts, this is one that actually did blow some socks off some people. So Caterpillar is one of my favorite companies right now. Another favorite company. Don't make me do it again because man, did I love this thing up this past weekend. Freeport McMoran. I love this company. Now we're running into some heavy resistance here, and it's about to show. We are sort of rounding out. We're doing a rounding top. Could we turn into a double top? Yes. We had a double bottom around 44.50. We broke out above 52.65. Now we're sitting on 59.60. If we get another breakout, it's going to 50.75. That's my target right now. Are we going to break out above 59.60? Only if the market keeps on running. Now, we closed around 59.82. Is that a solid breakout? No, not at all. That's a 22-cent breakout above the resistance. Would I add more here? No, not at all. I'd wait for a pullback probably to 52.65 unless it breaks out and unless the market keeps running on high momentum. Something to watch, and it's what I'm gonna say for every other ticker in here. So I'm not gonna repeat myself anymore. AK Steel, bad earnings. Of course, it's a steel company. No one wants steel yet. I said that about AK Steel earlier this week. Volume still in decline. Something to watch because it's pinching up against the 2170 on the ascending triangle. But it's just something to watch. It's not something to pick up yet. Steel Dynamics, crappy earnings. Why? It's a steel company. Wow, put two and two together. 1660 is that spot to watch. And we're below it. And we're hanging out below it. And we're consolidating at it. Does it mean it's going to break out? I don't know. It could, it couldn't. But if it's going to pull back, it's going to go to 14 bucks. That's a solid place to buy it at. Watch it around there. SanDisk. I hate SanDisk. After the earnings, put out good earnings and it drops. I don't like SanDisk anymore. I'm kidding. 1643. It's holding it right now. Watch it on the breakout. A couple more that I'm looking at right now in the next very tiny seconds. Wow, Interactive Brokers. Heck of a breakout on momentum, volume, earnings, everything. Pinched. Should have caught it. Didn't pick it up in time. Waste of space, in my opinion. Not Interactive Brokers myself. It's a waste of space. I should have picked it up. Completely missed it. Range Trade, Peabody Energy. It's because it's a coal name. 36, 37 bucks is where the resistance is going to be. That's really all I have for right now. There are going to be more on Chart LY this weekend. But other than that, have a good weekend, everybody, and look for my post tomorrow evening. Have a good one, everyone.